In this video, I'll show you how to draw in Instagram chat. So Instagram has introduced a new feature. Now you can easily draw like this on your Instagram account inside the chat. Now if you want to do the same thing, it's pretty quick and easy. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to draw in Instagram chat, the very first thing that you have to do, make sure your Instagram application is up to date. And right after that, you just need to go ahead and open up the Instagram. And from the Instagram homepage, go ahead and tap on this chat section or the DM section at the top right. And inside the chat, open up any chat that you want. So let's say I'm going to open up this chat. And inside the chat, at the bottom right, you'll get to see the plus icon. You just need to tap on this plus icon here. You'll get to see the new option is available, draw. You just need to tap on draw here, and it's going to give you a couple of colors to draw with the color. So let's say I'm going to select the red color, for example. You'll get to see the color is selected. Now you can easily draw anything on the chat right here. So if you want to delete or remove the chat, you can tap on this back button here, and the chat will be deleted like this. And you can do the way you want. And with the draw feature also, you can identify or mark any specific message if you want to. So let's say I'm going to mark this message here, so you can actually do it like this way, and you can send it to the person. And once you do that, it will be sent it to your friend. So if you delete the mark from here, you can press and hold the mark like this, and he'll get to see the unsend. You can tap on unsend, and the mark will be deleted from here. And this is how you can use the mark feature on the Instagram chat. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.